I bought all these vegetables to practice my knife skills. Let's start, bro. 3 green papers. How to clean it? It's so easy. Have your 3 fingers, take like this, hop, bam, boom. Another one, bam, boom. Easy. The faster method how to cut it. Take your paper, put here and smash it. Take your sharp knife. So easy, bro. Julian. From Julian, we can make brunoise. Like boom, 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 boom. We have brunoise. For make more professional method, we have to slice from middle. 2 parts. Half. And now we have to make professional slices, you know? Like easy peasy, you know? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I don't have professional. Why? Look at this paper. It's like easy peasy, you know? One of the best methods is smash it and make it. Another cut is very easy. Best method of the world. Smash it and make bigger cubes. This changes your flour, you know? Cutting, you can how you want, everyone. It's easy. Just try it. Make it. Try again. You will be more like professional. Gordon Ramsay, Nick Giovanni. Or like me, SCD, my bro. How to cut? Pepper. Now let's see different cuts with cucumber. Cucumber, it's, you know, it's not like a pepper. You can like make it, smash it. Oh yeah, you can smash it, bro. Delicious, bro. Delicious. Let's be serious, okay? Let's cut this cucumber in brunoise. It's so easy. This don't have stabilization, you know? It have to be like me. Yes, sir, you know? Take a knife, slice one side, and see. This now more better. Let's cut like this. And we have this platform, you know? This platform. And cut in slices. And we have slices. Use this for enchilade, okay? And for making like brunoise, like small cubes, or julienne, and cut it. 1, 2, bam, 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 boom. Easy. One interesting cut. Look at this. Have 2 middles, you know? Put it like this, and let's cut. This with this beautiful grained pink. I don't know where it's like cucumber. I will be trying a Chinese technique, okay? Let's go. We have to make like this. Look at this. I have to be very focused, okay? Just keep it going, bro. Keep it going. Go. Whoa. It's so close. No. Focus on knife and cucumber, okay? And look at this. Is it out? Ta-da, bro. You know, I'm a professional chef. Look at this cucumber, bro. Okay, and from this cucumber, put it like this. 1, 2. We have to slice. Look at this. And that is art. I'm not a professional, I'm not a good, but I'm still here working for you. So please, bro, subscribe me, please. Be serious, okay? Cucumber. Easy peasy. Cucumber enchiladito, caravachito, rajachito. Okay? Anya, how to peel it? First method is and like this. Just clean it. Yeah, you have perfectly clean onion. But look at this, bro. This trash is not good. So clean it. And look at how much onion you do it to smash, bro. Nah. Approach everything, you know? The professional method, take your trash box, take a small knife, put your knife here. And remove. Like this. And look at this. Like nothing, you know? Like this. Here. Remove. Boom. Spin it. Take it this, bro, okay? Take it. Boom. Like this. And very important, you don't have to escape only this. Only this? No. We have to take one cope. I don't know how to say, but take this, okay? Like this. Oop. I love to get out this type, okay? I'm crying. Let's start with a basic method, like every kitchen schools will tell you how to make it, okay? But I will get out this part, okay? Because I am the man, you know? So, middle, take like this. That's how to teach you at school. Take like this. And do you see this, no? Beautiful. Horizontal cuts. 1, 2, 3. And now cutting like French chef. Then take this and make 1, 2, down. Yes, it's good, but if you work in real kitchen like I am, if you hold your knife like this, then your hand right here will be do like this. So, for a good real chef, work every day like me. I hold here, not here, not here, okay? Here, not here. First horizontal cut and then vertical cuts. Why? Because I'm Dima. 1, 2, and now vertical cuts. And very important, here is very important, we don't have to cut which. We have to start cut with this part and go and then go to, you know? We don't cut with this. We start this here and go to. So we don't go like, no. We start here and you know? And now, like professional chef, take a knife and make. Be good. Feel this. Taste this. Just be beautiful, you know? If you want a julienne, in this world, different type of julienne. Like, if you cut onion like this, you have this. Turn it and cut like this. You see this? It's different, bro. I want to show you a fast method how to cut onion in brunoise. Cut here and make like this. Bam, bam, bam. Here. Put here and look. I'm genius, bro. Just look at this, bro. Look at this, bro. Who I am? I'm professional. Mirepoix, like big cubes, you know, like bam, bam. First stack. It's like your imagination and work with hand. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, bro. Carrots. I think I'm better in this world, you know. How to peel it? Take a bowl, take a peeler. You know this peeler? This is peeler, okay? How to use peeler? Look at this. It's very easy, bro. This is level number 1. But if you want to be the best, look at this. You have to be down and up. Down and up. Down, up, down. Here, you can do like this. And like this. Beautiful carrots. Big carrots. So easy, bro. Whoa, bro. One of the most popular cut is brunoise. So let's make it. Angela cut it for stabilization. These cuts will be tell you in comments how to say it, okay? So let's go. Cut number 1. You know, maybe this is my first video and nobody will tell nothing in comment. But when I come to viral, when I come to the best chef in the world, when I have 10 million or 100 million subscribers, somebody will tell how to say this. Cut number 2. Cut number 3. Cut number 4. Cut number 5. Cut number 6. Cut number 7, think. 9, 10. 12. Potato. Peel it. Be clean, okay? Okay, potato. We can cut brunoise, julienne, mirepoix, like different cuts. So let's make it. First cut. Half, half, half. Turn. And we have mirepoix, brunoise. For stabilization, let's make slices, put it down, make julienne, big fried potatoes, you know. And for here, we can make brunoise. Look at this. So easy, very fast, fun dice, you know. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, how I like to say. Here, we can make like this, and have this cut, you know, bro. It's potato. Bro. Shut up, bro. Garlic. How to clean fast garlic. Smash it. Take one bowl and put everything here. Another bowl. Here and shape. Just open and drag your garlic. Just make like this. And the better technique for cut your garlic, it's not like. No. You take a knife. Here. And here. And make like this. Less in 1 minute. Beautiful, like this. More. And you have this result. Easy peasy, bro. Let's just have to take the slides like this, or cut with knife, or make special special technique, like fine, you know, like one cigar. And now, and this cut names is chiffonade, you know, chiffonade. This one, short knife, and do this with buttons. Be focused. And make. Remove. Beautiful smell and perfect result. And for the last one, tomatito papadito. This we don't need. Like slides. If you want cubes, you can make also like this. Then make like this, and then like this. And you have fast cube, but it's not professional. For professional method, we need to remove all meat, you know? Skin we have to put out. Take your knife, smash it something, and put like this. Look at this, we just separate it. Do like this. And we have Julian and Bruno Mars. Okay, bro, it's my first video, and what do you think about me? Please support me, subscribe me, help me, share my video, like, comment for your friends, and one day I will be giving my land, and one day I will be one of the most interesting, beautiful, most popular chefs in the world. I hope, and I think you hope, and I think you will help me. You should like, subscribe, and I tell you this like 3-5 blah blah blah. But bro, I'm here. I'm working, I'm still here. Bro, just look in my room, bro. Look at my room. That's me, here, my studio. Look at this, yo. God damn, bro. So, bro, subscribe, like. I hope you like this video. See you next time.